Oh, I've got a new friend. Mick's called him Gary. Gary, you're getting sort of right up into my personal space here. What the? Hey, Mick. Oh, actually, sorry, we haven't done a video for a while.
Ages, mate, yeah.
Yeah, but we want to do a shout out to Warren, the wild colonial boy. Put
That's
out
him?
a video yesterday, Mick.
Bloody oath he did. A bloody ripper too.
And he's saying, oh yeah, it's pretty shit here, everything's gone. He smashed it with coins and he got this superb cricket buckle, Mickey boy.
Yeah, and the tokens, remember that? Yeah.
Oh, and the tokens, mate. But anyway, I think I might have caught you. I'll just flip it and show you. Yeah. Right.
Oh, look out, folks. I think he's on this time.
Come on. I never find him. And I want there to be oh, it is too, Mick.
Yeah, there's something going on there.
There's something going on there, mate. It's a ye old cricket. Hang on.
Hey, it might not be yet.
What could it be, Mick?
Oh, it could have a boat on it.
Where's my little... Oh, that'd be about right, wouldn't it? My cricket buckle turns into a sailor. Hang on, who cares? Let's have a look. Oh, please, I might get a toothpick onto it. First, I've got brand new toothpicks. How's that looking, Mick?
Not too bad.
Oh, come on, I don't even know. I think it is a boat, is it? I don't know. What? Is there an anchor on that? I don't even know. Hang on. Oh, what? Oh, I don't even know what is it, Mick?
We'll get back to you.
We'll get back to you.
All right, mate. We'll just pause and then we'll be
Oh,
right
it is a ship. Look at the back of it, Mick.
Oh, what the hell?
See it? I reckon it's a ship.
Could make something out there. Anyway, we'll be right back.
It's a cricket ship. What's happened? Welcome back, viewers. I just got this cracking target 22, and Mickey boy, I found like half a spoon. Do you reckon you what? Can you hold that, Mick, just so I can zoom in and see the hallmarks? Because that's a bloody nice little silver spoon. What have we got? An S on it, a WRS, someone's head. There's someone's head.
Yep.
And bones and a lion. What does that all mean, Mick?
Don't know. At least you can read them, though.
Oh, I zoomed in. Right, we're back here with old Mickey boy. What do you think here, Mick?
24, 25.
Oh, nice sharp one, isn't it?
I think it might have some silver about it.
Yeah, well, come on, Mick. I think we've hit the hot spot. It's like a dump spot or something.
Can't see nothing.
Oh, it's giving you a bit of a, you know,
Nice ring.
not a whistle, but like a double. Might be the other part of me spoon.
It's down a bit deeper, though.
Hang on. That'll get knocked out by the shovel in a minute. Ooh, come on, Mick. It's raining. Hasn't rained for 300 days. The day me and Mick go detecting, she rains.
Is it?
Huh?
It's got to be.
I reckon it's a little coin. And you flicked him out somewhere. Oh.
That's the fucking D.
I mean, I shouldn't. Why am I laughing? Stop making me laugh, Mick. Hey, Mick.
What?
Fork off. I found a fork.
Found a spoon and a fork.
Yeah. Just probably find a bowl in a minute. Righto. Right, she's on, mate.
Fine.
I'll turn these off, will I?
What number are you getting, mate?
I
There
was
you go.
getting a 25, mate.
Right, okay.
Stay alive. Have a listen. I'll give you a listen.
Gee, that's nice and sweet, isn't it?
25, Mick. Oh, come on, mate. We need a coin. It'll be a door handle or something. Now you what?
No, come on.
Come on, Mickey boy.
Talk it up.
Jeez, the bloody ground's weird here, isn't it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
A lot of roots in from the grasses and
More roots than Hugh Hefner. Oh,
geez, could you
the
make
hell
it?
is that, Mick?
You got something big in the hole. Might be a plug or something like that. Yes, that's not good, mate.
What, that's what I said. Give it a tap on that. What does that mean? Oh. It's a ring. What is that, Mick?
It's not good, that's what it is.
Right.
See you, mate.
Hey, Mick, what the hell? Got an audience. Mick, what have you found?
This is a coin.
It's like a little silver
That's
coin.
a silver. Look at that. She's tacoed. She's a taco.
It's a little silver coin, but do you reckon it almost looks like a fourpence? It's that little. Huh? It's a taco silver. Oh, crap. It'll probably snap if you try and bend it, won't it?
Yeah. I'm getting nothing on there.
Nothing on it, Mick?
No. Is it a coin?
I don't know.
Now it doesn't look like a coin.
Doesn't it? What does it look like then? Snap.
Yeah, I can't even bend it.
Oh, really?
Is that a coin, do you reckon?
I don't know.
No.
Looks coinish.
Back to the drawing board. Oh, it could be a coin.
Right.
Could not. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, my buckle's definitely a ship. Right. Well, I've got a new friend. Mick's called him Gary. Gary. What have I found, Gary? It's like a little cog. I thought it was a little Chinese coin. Gary, you're getting sort of right up into my personal space here. What the... Mick's cracking up. Oh, sorry, Gary. I didn't mean to startle you. I'm not sure what that is. It's a cog off something. What is it, Gary? Don't eat it. Is it a cog? Shake your head if it is. What? Well, Mick, Gary's coming. Call him over.
Gary, come on.
He's so friendly. You can pat him. Pat him, Mick. See? He's patting him. It's like he's a personal pet. Right, see you, Guzzo. Back here, viewers. The one and only Lone Ranger coin for today. I think it's bang on 1900. It's a little halfer. Anyway, a bit tough, but we got out and we met Gary, so that was nice. Right,